Ah! Burn, Mario, burn! You stupid plumber! I hate you! I hate everything that you stand for with your shitty Romac! Ah! Oh, sorry everyone. This is Psychedelic Eyeball, and welcome to Kaizo Mario World. And today we're setting up for some great punishment. Against all advice and medical assistance, I'm going indeed to play through this level without using any sort of save state. This is going to be a great day for suffering guys. Oh boy. I really can't wait to see what this game has in store for all of us. Yes, whatever. Shit! What the hell am I eating that plant? I'm not supposed to be eating that plant. And speaking of which, why the hell does the cloud even manage to be a glitch, really? This hack is so goddamn shitty that almost every graphic in here is all messed up and all this. So yeah, this is great quality entertainment we've got here tonight. Alright, now, shit! Am I even going to be able to get through this? Okay, alright. Hopping on the clouds. Alright, I finally managed to make it through this part. Okay, no, now I can do it. Okay, alright. This is oh shit! Oh, look at how fast we got game over. Yes. Isn't this game like the greatest game ever? Yes, it certainly is. But to be quite fair, I'm pretty sure that I actually like it somehow. Even if it takes a toll of on my sanity or something like that. Oh god! Yes, I'm going to attempt a run like this. This is going to be great. Okay, alright. Where am I going, guys? I don't know. Okay, alright. I think that... I thought that I almost got it. Okay. I don't really think that I need extra challenge on this one, don't I? You're wrong! Okay, alright. Alright, I promise you guys, I'm gonna attempt this for real this time. Hell yeah! We did it, folks! Two game over in only 2 minutes and a half. Yes! I'm certainly shaping up great today. Alright, I'm saving here just because I don't want to wade through all the bullshit again if I die. No! Okay, so far so good. Oh yeah. Okay, alright. Now I can do this. Yes! Alright. This is the farthest that I've got so far. I'm so proud of myself. Okay. Steady now! Fuck! Oh no! Oh no, it didn't happen. It can't happen here. Or maybe it can, because the courtyard had a swimming pool. They said it can't happen here, but it happened anyways. La 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 la. Oh shit! I almost got killed here. Okay, same thing. Oh no! I really fucking hate the cloud controls in this game. It feels so floaty. Okay, now I wasn't even trying. What the fuck? Okay, seriously. Okay, I need to take my time on this one because otherwise this is going to end in tears like this. Yes, I died again. Oh god. I'm not sure if that was a good idea after all. Oh, maybe it is. I'm pretty sure I can do it. I can do it! Yes, I've been able to do it once. Or twice. But now it isn't the case! Oh my god! Why can I always do it perfectly when I'm not recording, and when I'm recording, this shit happens? Yeah, this is the rule number 1 of raw-macking recording. Whenever you record first, you die! Otherwise, you— oh shit! Come on. Come on. I wasn't supposed to die here. Okay, now I was supposed to die here. This is a date with destiny. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. God damn it! Stop doing this shit to me. Or maybe you do. Because you hate me, game. Well, let me put it straight for you. I don't like you. You don't like me. But I must confess. And I must also find out who murdered this little bastard. And you're the only one who can give me answers. Tell me, Ramek, why must you be such a mean bastard? You will finish your days in the slammer for killing so many innocent plumbers. Oh shit. I really need to stop rambling like a moron like this because, well, you see the result! I die, and this makes the video even longer than it needs to be. Oh god! Not supposed to be doing that. Alright, I'm tired of hearing this introduction fanfare, so I'm gonna save state further ahead. Even if shit! Come on, this level's not supposed to be that hard. Well, it's harder than the Yellow Switch Palace, but it's a lot shorter. This entire section which is giving me trouble right now. Oh god! What the fuck? What the fuck? Okay, alright. Think about some waves. About the ocean. Full of calm and full of fucking drowning! Yeah! God damn it. Somebody is going to suffer at the end of this video and it will be me. Somebody suffer, please. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's really fun seeing the same 2 or 3 parts over and over again on repeat, yeah. Fuck! Oh my god. Oh, yeah. Alright, yes, okay, alright, now. Oh. I don't want to spoil it to you guys, but I think... Oh yes, he appeared right at a good place. Oh yes! Alright, now we've got a final bullet bill to avoid, but he's actually not that hard. Here, you see? First try. Red Switch Palace. Done! Woo-wee! This is so awesome. And it didn't even took me about 22 minutes, so yeah. This is a scientific proof that the Red Switch Palace is easier to beat. So yeah, Red Switch Palace is done. And now, I'm gonna go attempt the level before Bowser's Castle in another video. Stay tuned.